Hey everyone, welcome back to Steffi's Corner. My name is Steffi, and today I've had a request to show how I do my nails. If that's something you're interested in watching, then stay tuned. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Turn on that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post a new video. If you would share and comment, I would be glad to hear your suggestions. I am not a nail technician, not certified in any way. All opinions are my own. Please feel free to do your own research and care for your own nails. Thanks. Today I'm going to do my nails. I'm just going to do a dry removal. So I'm going to get my rough tip, turn it up a bit. Carefully break through that outer shell. Once you're through the outer, the rest is a little easier to break through. As you can see there on the tip, it's already down to the clear nail. So that's all we want to go. We don't want to go further than that. And I very carefully take down the rest of that color. You just want to go down to the overlay and even that out just a little bit. When I get close to my natural nail, then I'm going to slow it down. That way I get this edge without doing damage to my natural nail. I'm barely touching the natural nail here. I'm keeping most of the pressure on the overlay. All right, and just a quick swipe over. Make sure I have nothing shiny left on there. Looks good. And then I'll do that to the rest of my nails. Turn it back up. And here we go. If it starts getting hot, you're applying too much pressure. Or you need to slow your speed down some. Okay, and at the edges, so slow it down. This one had a little bit of lifting at the bottom edge, so I'm just buffing that down to the glue just to make sure it doesn't lift any further. All right, I'm going to do the other hand. I'll be right back. Now I'm going to switch my tips out, this cone-shaped one, just to get those cuticles and down in those edges. Make sure I got all that polish off. And this takes off the cuticle and buffs the bottom edge of the nail at the same time to remove the shine. So it's nice and ready for that base coat. The other hand. Now I'll do just a quick clean under my nails. Make sure that my natural nail and the tip I had on previously is nice and even. Because my natural nails are growing out and eventually I won't have that tip at all. That was just to get me started. And again, this is a very fine file, so I'm not taking off much. All right, so we've cleaned, we've done our cuticles, we've done the underside. Now we're going to set the length. So I press that pink part under my nail. I'm going to shape them. I'm using a 240 grit to start, just to get my basic shape down. I like a little bit of a rounded oval this time. And then I go to the 120 and do the fine shaping. I have to do a lot of typing, so I like to keep them kind of short. All right, double check the length and the shape. It's good. Okay, better. I'm going to take an alcohol swab just to get the dust off. Now I'm using this peel-off base gel. I only need a very, very thin layer just to give it a nice uniform surface. Very careful not to get it on your skin. Then we'll do a cure. All right, now the next one. Place it on, and then I just give it a little bit of a jiggle. And that gets it where I want it to be without putting it on my skin. Do the same on the other hand. If you do get any on your skin, just be sure you clean it off as quickly as you can. And just do a quick color comparison. Wanted kind of a sage green, but I don't have it, so I'm going to do this light green beetles with this deeper green from Nail Boo. We'll see how that goes. Start on my ring finger here. It's kind of clear. Oh, nice thin layer there. Well, that's kind of neon under the light. Let's see how deeper green looks on the pinky. That's a big old brush. Super careful on the edges there. I think I like the deep green. Yeah, brush is a little bit intimidating, but as you're careful. All right, now we're going to seal those tips just a little bit on the edge. Make sure I don't have any on my skin. I think I'm going to go with these little yellow butterflies. Carefully lifting them off the page. I'll put this one on the pinky right here. Tap that down. put this pink one on the ring finger. Put that down. That one's pretty. I like that one. That on the corner here. It's pretty. Only one of those. Okay, like that, but I'm not too sure about this butterfly here. Back off. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, now top coat. And I like a shiny top coat. All right, tilt those down. We'll go to cure. Do 90 seconds on this one. This color for Nail Boo is Exotic Emerald. I think I like the Beetles polish better. It's a little bit thinner, but I don't know. This thicker formula has a good depth of color. I'll just have to keep playing with them and let you know. These stickers I got on Temu, just nail art stickers. I find the 3D ones that aren't huge 3D are easier to get off than the paper ones. It's pretty, very nice. Now I will do the other hand and we'll be finished. All right, here are the finished nails. I think they turned out pretty good for early summer. This is late spring currently. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe button down below to follow me for more content. Y'all have a wonderful day and a fantastic week. Bye.